evaluate the integral of tan to the fifth x secant cube x dx. So we try to split the powers of tangent to the fifth x as tan to the fourth x times tan x. And we also split the power of secant cube x into secant squared x times secant x dx. Rewriting the integral, we will have the integral of tan to the fourth x times secant squared x and then times tan x secant x dx. So we will let u be equal to secant x because the derivative of secant x, so let's differentiate u du. The derivative of secant x is secant x tan x dx, which is this term. But we need to represent the tangent to the fourth x in terms of secant. So to do that, we will use Pythagorean identity. So we write first the tan to the fourth x as tan squared x quantity squared, applying power to power law of exponent. And then from the Pythagorean identity, tan squared x is equal to 1 plus secant squared x. Okay. Sorry. Not that. Secant squared x minus 1. Okay, because 1 plus tan squared x is equal to secant squared x. So you transpose 1 here to the right. You'll have tan squared x is equal to secant squared x minus 1. And then quantity squared, secant squared x tan x secant x dx. Now, applying this u substitution, we can rewrite the new integral in terms of u as, so the secant x, that's equal to u raised to the second power, then minus 1, quantity squared, then times secant x again, which is u, raised to the second power, and then this tan x secant x dx or secant x tan x dx is equal to du. So we can evaluate this integral using power rule, but we expand first. So the square of the binomial, u squared minus 1 quantity squared. So square the first term, u squared squared, that's u to the 2 times 2 or u to the fourth power. Then plus twice the product of the first and the second term. So the first term is u squared. The second term is negative 1. So it's equal to negative 2u squared plus the square of the second term. So negative 1 quantity squared or positive 1. Then times u squared du. Then we distribute this u squared. We multiply to each term. So u to the 4 times u squared, that's u to the 6th, minus 2u squared times u squared, that's u to the 4th, plus 1 times u squared, u squared. Then we can distribute this integral symbol. So we'll have integral of u to the 6 du minus 2, put the constant negative 2 in front, integral of u to the 4th du plus integral of u squared du. So to evaluate the integrals applying power rule, we have integral of u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to negative 1. So, integral of u to the 6 du is u to the 6 plus 1. So, I remove the integral. U to the 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 minus 2 integral of u to the 4th, u to the 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus integral of u squared, u to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, then put plus c for the constant of integration. So simplifying, we'll have u to the 7 over 7 minus 2u to the 5th over 5 plus u to the 3rd over 3 plus c. Then the final step is to substitute back the u in terms of x, which is secant x. So the final answer will be 1/7 u, which is secant x raised to the 7th, minus 2/5 u, secant x raised to the 5th, plus 1/3 u, secant x cubed, plus c.